USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar. So before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you will find the important links for you. So the first link says get my intraday swing setup. So you can go and join the monthly membership if you want. If you want the intraday trading setups, swing setups, okay. And then you can join the brokers and join my free Telegram. Go and check out these links in your free time. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with a weekly time frame. Weekly, this looks like a head and shoulders. So this is your rejection as well here. And we might be going down, but weekly doesn't really tell me exactly what's going to happen. So we'll skip. Weekly is like a very, very long-term perspective. So in a weekly, we are forming the head and shoulder. But coming back to Delhi, if you want to know what's happening in Delhi, if you're a scalper, it's free money for you. The price will touch the EMA. Nobody can stop. Guaranteed return, free money. Okay. So today is what, 19 January when I'm recording the video, because today US market is closed. Market as in US is bank holiday. Okay. So there is bank holiday in America. So there's no movement right now. And also the London market is closed when I'm recording the video, which means the day is almost over for Euro USD and GBP USD. Okay. This candle should close like this bullish. There are a few hours to go, but I think it should close bullish today. And one thing for sure, that is guaranteed written, that it will touch the EMA. Okay, so if you want to take a long until the EMA, nobody can stop you from taking profits. That's free money. It will touch the EMA, which means it will touch it. Okay, coming back to 4 hour here. In 4 hour, we have broken this BOS, and this is your last BOS. Rejection is coming. We might fall back. We'll see. We have to close above the EMA to complete our daily target. So I think we are going to be in the uptrend. So this is your down move, which was over with this bullish engulfing candle. Okay, so this down move in 4 hour has been closed or over with this bullish engulfing. Now we are going up. Coming back to daily time frame, I'll give you one simple thing here. So where's my line right here? This is your previous swing high. Okay, this is your, where's my line? Come on, that's it. Okay. So if you want confirmation, if bullish candles closes above this line, black line, which I have drawn, okay, if the coming blue candles in next 1 2 3 4 whatever days, okay, if this line breaks, if the bullish move breaks this and gives a breakout, that is your bullish entry confirmation as per daily time frame. You don't have to enter, you have to wait for the rejection from the EMA and then enter. That's future. What I'm giving you, if you want confirmation that is it gonna continue the uptrend, well, if this last swing high breaks, that will be the continuation of the bullish move. Okay, but if you want exact intraday signals, then go and check out the first link below. Subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.